ready to ditch the shipping hassle and start selling your creations instantly. Let's jump into how to sell digital products on Shopify, making it your go-to platform for effortless sales. First, let's log into your Shopify account and get started. The magic begins in Shopify's products section. Click Add Product, give your digital good a catchy title, a detailed description that excites your audience, and upload a high-quality product image. Now, scroll down to the pricing section, set your price, but be mindful of taxes and potential transaction fees. Ensure you set a fair price to make your product enticing to buyers. Crucially, scroll down to Files and select the digital file you wish to sell. Make sure it's the right format, like a PDF, MP3, or zip file. In the shipping section, check this as a digital product, so no shipping is needed. Now, head to payment providers in your Shopify settings. Here, you'll set up payment gateways like Shopify Payments, PayPal, or others that suit your needs. Next, think about how your customers will receive their digital good. Shopify automatically sends a download link in the order confirmation email. Ensure your product description tells the customer how to receive your digital good. Finally, test your setup, purchase your product, and ensure the download link works smoothly. Make any necessary adjustments to create a fantastic experience for your customers. With these steps, you're equipped to make your digital sales a success.